The Education Minister of Meghalaya, Lahkmen Rymbui, today informed that the Government of Meghalaya has released pre-Matric and post-Matric scholarship for the year 2021-2022 to 61,116 students of the state. Disbursement to individual account of the beneficiary students will start immediately through the PFMS or the Public Financial Management System, informed Rymbui.
Released 169 crores, 2,91,678 scholarship to the 61,116 students for the year 2021-22. So it will go to the individual account through PFMS. See, this is a 90-10 funding. So when we get from the Government of India, we will process instead so that the matching 10% share will be given and then released subsequently to the Education Department so that we can release to the student. We are not expecting delay, but the thing is that we are moving in the direction that whatever incentive or whatever right of the student, we should be able to keep in time.